Yeah guys, we are now approaching Ateneo de Manila. Yeah, ito yung pinakasikat na famous university in the Philippines and probably one of the most expensive universities. Yeah, Ateneo de Manila guys. Marami dyan mga elite, I mean yung mga mayayaman ng estudyante na kapag naglabasan yung just kasi puro may mga sasakyan ng estudyante dyan. Super traffic dito guys, lalo in the afternoon pag uwian na nila, grabe. Yeah. That was Ateneo University. And ito yung may sign, ano sila dito guys, may malaking TV screen. Yun, screen ng Ateneo University. That was the screen. What does it say? Stop siya guys kasi may stoplight doon sa front. Okay, so bakit red lights naka-go? Ayan, naka-green lights na guys. That was Ateneo de Manila University. Yeah. So tatawid tayo ng stoplight guys. Yeah, go go go. Yeah. Ateneo de Manila University. Yeah, nakapasok na kami dyan siguro mga thrice kasi nung magka-college yung pangalan naming anak, nag-acquire kami dyan. Ateneo tsaka itong Miriam College, which is Merinol College before. I don't know kung university na siya ngayon. Magkakatabi lang dito yung mga yan guys eh, pati UP doon naman sa bandang yun ng UP. Ateneo de Manila University. Ayan ang Miriam College guys. Oh. Ayan Miriam College. That was Miriam College. Yeah. Application going. Yeah. Yes guys, thank you for watching guys. Medyo malugan traffic na dito ngayon. Bye! Kasi ano, galing kami guys sa Bicol eh. So iniwan namin yung sakyan sa Alabang dahil coding. Kahapon coding kasi that was Monday. So ngayon ako bumiyahe Tuesday. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Bye!